the easiest way is to use your eyes, or just like this, use the hand on the nose. I mean, look, this and this. I just wipe my face. Yeah, there's many ways to do it, so it's up to your imagination and your needs. Hopefully not. Yeah, I've been looking at the screen all the time, so yeah, just trying to make sure it's in focus, really. And okay, I hope this video helps you, or at least it's a bit entertaining. It's entertaining, hopefully. Yeah, I was a bit too loud. No, it's okay. I hope this video helps you. Let me know in the comment section below what thing you need to learn more, like about socks or shoes, or about camping or hiking, computers, how to fix things. And yeah, we'll try to do them as within the limits as we can. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah. It's midnight. It's so quiet. You can use this. There could be many ways.